Welcome to IMG. My name is Manny Iglesias. Folks, I have to tell you that as much as I appreciate you guys looking at these videos, listening to this content, my greatest concern is that you have to take action. If you have the resources, take action. If you do not have the resources at this point in time, that is more than understandable. Just continue to obtain information, and when the time comes and you're ready, then obviously try to participate. But for those of you that do have the resources, that have been looking at this market, a remarkable market, and you just cannot dispute the performance and the price activity that this market is offering. Once again, this has nothing to do with IMG, but IMG is here to assist. So if you have questions that need to be addressed, then pick up the phone and call IMG or fill out the contact form. However, it's most comfortable for you, but do something about it. Because no matter what I say, what you listen to, unless you actually take a step forward and become active in this market, none of this means absolutely nothing. Zero. And you cannot ask for a more attractive market environment. You need to also understand that this is still the beginning of much price activity to unfold over the next couple of years. The short term is highly attractive. It has proven to be so. But it also, I think, pales in comparison to the long-term potential that this market is offering. So do something about it. Not just listening, but actually taking this information that you're hopefully acknowledging, deciphering, and then initiating and acquire some product. I think that the next stages in this marketplace will be even more attractive. There are a tremendous, or should I say there is a tremendous amount of capital, believe it or not, that has still not engaged in the precious metals markets. So you have ample opportunity without delays, and to finally understand, as we have spoken about many times over and over again, that these trading ranges will continue to repeat themselves. We have just witnessed about a $6 to $7 range from low to high in less than 10 days. And this will continue to occur. And as pricing gets higher, those ranges will become even wider and more attractive and offer more potential. But it means nothing unless you participate. So if you're in a position at this point in time to do something and to engage in this market, to participate in this market, then contact IMG. We'd be happy to share with you everything that we have at our disposal: fundamentals, technicals, charts, anything and everything that you may need, plus any further clarification that you may need in order to assist you in becoming active. Contact IMG. I wish you all the very best.